Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I greet you with your time. Guys, let's make this vanilla cake together. Those are my ingredients. So I have 2 eggs here, so I'm going to use 2 eggs for this recipe. I'm just going to whip everything together a little bit before I add my sugar. So I add my sugar, I add my liquid milk. I'm using liquid milk for today's recipe. So I whip everything together very well before I add my other ingredient that will be coming right now. I'm going to stiff my flour and my baking powder together. So here I have my flour, here is my baking powder. So I'm going to stiff everything together before I mix it. Keep on watching guys, nothing difficult. I'm done with the stiffing. Now I'm just stirring everything together again so that it can be well combined before I add my oil. So I'm using oil for this recipe today. Look at it, it's really looking amazing without the oil yet. Look at it, it's fluffy. So I'm going to add my oil when I'm done with the mixing. Yeah, I add my oil already. I will still continue the mixing. Yeah, guys, if you watch me to this moment, I really appreciate. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share to friends and family. Let's continue with the video guys. Cake is easy to make. It's really easy. It can go for breakfast, it can go any time of the day where you decide to have something on your mouth. So I keep on mixing together. Look at it, wow, it's really look beautiful. So now I'm going to add my vanilla extra. So it's vanilla cake we are making today. I'm going to add my vanilla extra guys. So I just pour it inside, mix again to be well combined before I put it on my mold. As soon as it's already well combined, I will put it on my mold and put it on the oven. This cake will go for 180 degrees for 28 to 30 minutes guys. Just check if it's already, depends how your oven is hot, but 30 minutes is perfect. Yeah, I'm just putting butter on my mold. So I also put baking paper on it to make it easy when the cake is already baked. That is what I'm doing. So it make it very easy to be removed when the cake is already baked. So when I'm done with this, I will just pour our missing cake on it. It's ready to go to the oven. Our cake will soon be ready in the next few minutes. Look at it, I'm just pouring it on the cake is ready guys. Look at it, it look amazing, right? And it smell amazing also. It's vanilla, of course vanilla smell good. So now I'm going to put it on my cutting board. I'm going to remove it, make it easier for me when I'm going to cut it and taste it and let you guys know the taste we have here. So now I'm just removing it. Yeah, it's so beautiful guys. Let's see what we have inside here. So I'm removing my baking paper also. You know, I put baking paper to make it more easier when the cake is already baked. That's what I'm just doing on the video. So I'm going to cut it now and let you guys know the taste we have here. I believe it will taste amazing. wow, it was so delicious. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on my next video.